In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Steam using Task Manager and check your online status in the Friends menu. If Steam is acting up, not responding, or your friends can't seem to see you online, there are two simple things you can do. First, you can close Steam completely using Task Manager. Second, you can make sure your status in Steam is actually set to online. I'll walk you through both step by step in a clear and safe way. Start by going to the search on your computer. This is the search bar you usually see on your taskbar. Type Task Manager into the search field and then click on the Task Manager app when it appears. Task Manager shows everything that's currently running, even if a window is frozen or hidden in the background. Once Task Manager is open, look through the list of apps and processes to find Steam. It might be under Apps or Background Processes, and the name will simply be Steam. When you see it, right-click on Steam and choose End Task. This tells Windows to immediately stop Steam, closing it even if it isn't responding. Be aware that ending a task does not save any unsaved progress in games, and it will also interrupt any downloads in progress. This is normal for a forced close, and it's often exactly what you need if Steam is stuck or won't quit on its own. If your issue is that friends can't see you or you want to confirm your visibility, there's another quick check inside Steam itself. Open Steam and look along the top for the Friends menu, click on Friends, and make sure that online is checked. This setting controls how you appear to others. If online is selected, your friends can see that you're available. If it isn't, you might look offline or otherwise unavailable, which can make it seem like you're not there even when Steam is running. These two actions address the most common situations: ending Steam's process when it freezes, and confirming that your status is correctly set so others can see you. Use the Task Manager approach when Steam won't respond or refuses to close. Use the Friends menu check when everything runs fine, but your presence isn't showing the way you expect. That's it. Go to Search, open Task Manager, find Steam, right-click, and End Task. Or go to Steam, click on Friends, and confirm that online is checked. With these simple steps, you can quickly regain control and get back to what you want.